Welcome back, friends. Today, we're unraveling the surprising effects of drinking cinnamon on your body. Buckle up as we journey through centuries-old practices, scientific studies, and reveal how this everyday spice can influence your health from blood sugar balance to brain function. Let's spice things up. Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit the origins of this intriguing spice, cinnamon. Believed to have been used as far back as ancient Egypt, cinnamon was a highly treasured spice and considered more precious than gold. Why? Well, besides its fragrant aroma and distinctive flavor, cinnamon was revered for its medicinal properties. In traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, cinnamon was used to treat a wide range of ailments from respiratory problems to digestive discomfort. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, the spice continued to maintain its allure. Cinnamon was seen as a status symbol in Europe, where the wealthy used it as a preservative, a cure-all for various health issues, and even in religious rituals. In the modern era, cinnamon is not just a flavorful addition to our dishes and drinks, it's also the subject of numerous scientific studies. Research like the one published in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition in 2017 pointed to cinnamon's potential for health benefits ranging from antimicrobial to anti-cancer properties. From the banks of the Nile to your kitchen cabinet, cinnamon has had a fascinating journey. Let's dig deeper into what science says about its effects on your health today. Peeling back the layers, let's explore the science behind cinnamon's health benefits. Have you ever wondered what gives cinnamon its distinctive taste and aroma? It's cinnamaldehyde, an essential oil that constitutes about 90% of the compound in cinnamon bark. A significant amount of research has been conducted on cinnamaldehyde, like the study in Bioorganic and Medicinal Chemistry from 2014, which found that cinnamaldehyde shows promising effects against inflammation and various human pathogens. Moreover, cinnamon is packed with potent antioxidants like polyphenol. In a comparative study published in Antioxidants and Redox Signaling in 2010, cinnamon outperformed other superfoods, including garlic and oregano, in terms of its antioxidant activity. These antioxidants in cinnamon have various health benefits. They reduce oxidative stress in your body, slowing down the aging process and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Another fascinating thing about cinnamon is its potential effect on our metabolism. Cinnamon has been found to mimic insulin, a hormone that regulates metabolism and energy use, as pointed out by a study published in Diabetes Care in 2003. We'll dive deeper into this effect in the next scenes. So, stay tuned. Have you ever pondered about the effects of cinnamon on your blood sugar? Well, it's truly surprising. Cinnamon, interestingly, can influence blood sugar regulation. This is especially useful information for those trying to maintain steady energy levels or manage conditions like type 2 diabetes. Now, let's delve into the details. Cinnamon is reported to mimic insulin's effects, improving glucose uptake by our cells. A comprehensive review of studies in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2011 highlighted that cinnamon might improve fasting blood glucose and glycosylated hemoglobin levels, important indicators of blood sugar control. Furthermore, cinnamon can slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, which in turn leads to a reduction in the amount of glucose entering the bloodstream. This was substantiated in a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2007. However, the effects vary, with Ceylon cinnamon, often referred to as true cinnamon, showing more promising results in this respect. So, you might want to pay attention to the type of cinnamon you consume. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. As we continue our exploration of cinnamon's surprising effects, let's look at its potential role in fighting inflammation. Inflammation is a necessary immune response to infection or injury. Still, when it becomes chronic, it plays a part in various diseases from heart disease to cancer. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, which can trigger inflammation. According to a study in Food and Function in 2014, cinnamaldehyde inhibits the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that promotes inflammation when present in high amounts. Additionally, cinnamon is rich in flavonoids, compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties. A review published in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition in 2020 detailed how cinnamon flavonoids could influence key inflammation markers, potentially reducing the risk of chronic disease. Thus, while cinnamon can't replace medical treatments, it can serve as a complementary approach to managing inflammation. Just imagine a delicious spice in your pantry doubling up as an inflammation fighter. Who would have thought? As we delve deeper into cinnamon's impact on health, let's uncover its potential role in promoting heart health. Now, it's no secret that heart disease is a major global health concern, and diet plays a crucial role in managing heart health. And guess what? Cinnamon could be a part of that picture. Studies like the one in Diabetes Care in 2003 have indicated that even as little as 1 gram of cinnamon per day can have positive effects on blood markers. It reduces levels of total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while good HDL cholesterol remains stable. But that's not all. Cinnamon also appears to reduce blood pressure, a key risk factor for heart disease. This was noted in a review of several studies published in Nutrition in 2016. Moreover, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which we discussed earlier, are also beneficial for heart health. They prevent damage to cells and tissues in the heart and blood vessels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Isn't it amazing how much your heart can benefit from this humble spice? Moving on to another intriguing aspect of cinnamon's health benefits, its role in brain health. Increasing research shows that cinnamon could potentially delay or reverse cognitive impairment. Isn't it fascinating to think that the spice we often associate with sweet treats could be a brain booster? A study from Journal of Alzheimer's Disease in 2009 revealed that 2 compounds found in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde and epicatechin, could inhibit the aggregation of a protein called tau. Now, tau proteins are infamous for their role in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's when they accumulate abnormally. Another study published in Nutritional Neuroscience in 2014 explored cinnamon's effects on Parkinson's disease. In animal models, cinnamon helped to protect neurons, normalized neurotransmitter levels, and improved motor function. While it's important to note that most of these studies are in early stages and many have been conducted on animals or in test tubes, the results certainly hold promise for the potential of cinnamon in brain health. So, the next time you savor a cinnamon-infused dish, remember that you might be doing a favor to your brain as well. From heart to brain, and now, let's navigate to the gut. Another surprising effect of cinnamon lies in its influence on our gut health. The gut is often referred to as our body's second brain due to its impact on everything from immunity to mood. Recent research suggests that cinnamon can positively affect our gut microbiome, the community of diverse microorganisms living in our digestive tract. A 2020 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that cinnamaldehyde can modify gut microbiota, increasing the abundance of beneficial bacteria while decreasing harmful ones. Additionally, a review in the World Journal of Gastroenterology in 2015 noted that cinnamon's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are beneficial for gut health. They can help to reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, often a sign of disorders like IBS or ulcerative colitis. Plus, remember those digestive issues ancient civilizations used cinnamon for? Well, they were onto something. Modern science supports the use of cinnamon for conditions like indigestion, thanks to compounds like cinnamaldehyde that help to break down food particles. Isn't it interesting how our culinary choices, like adding cinnamon, can shape the health of our gut? As we've navigated the incredible health benefits of cinnamon, it's equally important to discuss potential risks and precautions. Yes, cinnamon has fantastic health potential, but as with all things, moderation is key. While most people can enjoy cinnamon without any issues, certain types, particularly cassia cinnamon, contain high levels of a compound called coumarin. Consuming too much coumarin can lead to liver damage and has been associated with an increased risk of certain cancers, as per a report in Molecular Nutrition and Food Research in 2012. For people taking medication for diabetes or liver disease, consuming large amounts of cinnamon could potentially interfere with these drugs. A review in the Journal of Complementary and Integrative Medicine in 2019 underlined this point. Pregnant women should also be cautious with cinnamon consumption. Some research, like a study in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine in 2018, suggests that excessive amounts of cinnamon could lead to contractions and premature labor. Remember, when it comes to health, it's about balance. So enjoy the spice, but respect its potency. And that's a wrap, friends. From regulating blood sugar to supporting heart and brain health, to influencing our gut microbiome, the humble cinnamon spice indeed packs a punch. But remember, it's not a magic bullet, but part of a balanced, nutritious diet. As with everything, moderation is key. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions. So, go ahead, enjoy the warm, fragrant delight that is cinnamon, and here's to making health-conscious decisions every day.